The 10 most profitable business sectors. These sectors have the biggest profit margins according to a new report. Healthcare and real estate dominate a list of the country's 15 most profitable privately held businesses. SageWorks rankings are based on the company profit margins over the 12 months ending in June. The calculations exclude taxes and include owner compensation in excess of their market rate salaries. Rank 1. Accounting, tax preparation, bookkeeping and payroll services. This industry sector tops the list with a net profit margin of 19.8%, an improvement over the revised 16.3% from last year. Like several other service-based industries on this list, accounting et al. Make for consistently profitable businesses because they are generally in demand and can operate with fairly low overhead and equipment costs. Rank 2. Legal services. Much like accounting, law firms and other legal services see constant demand from giant companies as well as the average Joe. They also boast relatively low operating costs because a large portion of spending goes toward maintaining a knowledgeable specialized staff rather than investing in equipment or tools. After topping this list last year with a profit margin of 18.3%, this industry comes in second this year with a margin of 17.8%. Rank 3. Oil and gas extraction. Oil and gas are booming in the U.S. thanks to increased production of crude oil and shale gas that is making the country less reliant on foreign imports. As such, this industry sector remained in third place with a profit margin that increased from 15.1% to 16.4%. Rank 4. Commercial and industrial machinery and equipment rental and leasing. The profit margins for this industry jumped from 13.4% to 16.4% year-over-year, but the industry still ties for third on the 2014 list as growth in both home and industrial construction lifts demand for machinery and tools. Rank 5. Dentist offices. This is an industry with constant demand, and like other healthcare-related areas, it should see even greater demand as the number of insured patients continues to grow thanks to implementation of the Affordable Care Act. Profit margins for the most recent 12 months was 14.9% compared to 12.7% last year. Rank 6. Real estate leasing. This industry sector finds itself in a three-way tie in the list's sixth spot with profit margins of 14.1%, up from 10.4% last year. As the economy improves, the housing market generally follows suit, meaning more business for landlords, which in turn can hike up rental prices. Rank 7. Doctors. Physicians move up the list this year into a three-way tie for sixth place with a profit margin of 14.1%, up from last year's margin of 12.2%. Again, doctor visits are a necessary and regular expense for most of us, meaning consistent profits for this industry sector. Rank 8. Real estate agents and brokers. It's not surprising to find another real estate-driven sector in this three-way tie for sixth place at 14.1%. Like landlords, real estate agents and brokers have also benefited from the recent housing boom and increasing rental prices, hence the jump from margins of 11.6% over the previous year. Rank 9. Other health practitioners. With a 12.6% net profit margin, this sector continues to prove that pretty much every corner of the healthcare industry is likely to turn a decent profit. This subsector posted a margin of 12.5% over the previous year. Rank 10. Management companies. Privately held management companies and holding companies also saw a 12.6% profit margin after failing to crack the top 15 on SageWorks list last year.